result of the division is ayes 37, noes 35.
With a 2-vote margin, Australian lawmakers vote to scrap the so-called Medevac law. The text gave doctors the right to evacuate asylum seekers from detention centers on remote islands for emergency medical treatment. Rejecting the Prime Minister's argument the law carries a national security risk, opposition lawmakers say it could endanger refugees' lives.
This government, devoid of a heart, devoid of any human compassion, devoid of empathy, just wants to keep people locked up in indefinite cruel detention for years and years and years. We believe you can be strong on border protection without going weak on humanity. This government goes weak on humanity at every possible turn.
Prime Minister Scott Morrison claims the Medevac law undermined Australia's immigration policy, which he insists is in place to stop deaths at sea and prevent human trafficking. Australia has some of the strictest asylum laws in the Western world. Asylum seekers who attempt to reach the country by boat without a visa are automatically detained in offshore processing centers located on remote islands of Nauru and Papua New Guinea. Even those who eventually obtain refugee status cannot settle in Australia. The United Nations has repeatedly criticized the camps, insisting they lack sufficient medical care. Rights groups say many of those detained, some of whom have spent more than 6 years in the camps, suffer from serious mental health issues requiring urgent attention. In recent years, 12 people have died in the controversial offshore detention camps.